Did you see this story? It's just an incredible story, where you had this NRA type. He was a lobbyist. Walks up to an elephant, shoots it twice in the face with an elephant gun. There's no sport involved. Just simply walks up to it with this huge gun, shoots the elephant twice in the face on an NBC Sports network. Now, I don't know if you saw it. It was under the wild skies or something crazy. But this guy, I think his name was Tony McCreese, something similar to that. So he goes up, shoots the elephant, and the story to me is, I always wonder when I see this story, is there some connection between guys with really little peckers and their need to carry a big gun and shoot big animals? Did you see this story?
I didn't see that story, Pat, but I'll tell you, it sounds like sort of the same pathology that we see in the Republican brain. I think.
Well, that's what I was thinking about. As we're talking about all this, here's this NRA lobbyist. That honestly, there's no hunting involved here. You understand? Tony McCreese walks up, shoots this elephant in the face twice with an elephant gun. Of course, it kills the elephant, and he stands there with his gun as if he's accomplished something. And what type of and obviously lifelong Republican, big Republican donor, big NRA lobbyist, always the go-to guy for the Republican Party on Republican issues. But there's got to be some kind of relationship between his Johnson and his gun. What's your take on it?
Well, listen, I don't know specifically about his Johnson, but I will say this. It reminds me of something I saw on that Bill Maher program last week. You had this libertarian guy on, a guy named Matt Welsh or whatever I think it was, and he was saying to Bill Maher, he was trying to make some type of case as to some type of generational theft, and he was saying, you remember the old Poseidon a disaster movie with Ernest Borgnine?
Everybody goes, no.
Who were you? Yeah, everybody was like, what are you saying? He goes, who were you rooting for? Weren't you rooting for one specific person to get through when the old people said, we can't climb up that ladder? Weren't you rooting for a particular person to get out and to get into the light and to get saved? And Bill Maher said, no, I was rooting for everybody to get out because I'm not a Republican.
Right.
And it's as if at that moment, that guy has the realization like, oh my God, Bill, I just realized I'm a psychopath.
Yeah.
And that's what we see time and time again. The idea that you can go up to an elephant and just try and show your manhood by shooting him twice in the face.
This is a guy, I think it's just important to say, this is a guy who wins all the Republican Party awards of achievement. He's the guy that, shows up at CPAC and, let me introduce you to Tony here. And, he gets the award for being the good, loyal Republican idiot.